Hello, Year 7s. Today we are going to be continuing looking at angles. Today we'll be looking at angles in a triangle. In a triangle, the three interior angles, the angles on the inside, always add up to 180 degrees. So we have 42 degrees plus 91 degrees plus 47 degrees equals 180. If we were asked to find a missing angle in a triangle, we would first add our two known angles together. So 47 plus 49 equals 96. Then we would take 180 minus our sum. 180 minus 96 degrees equals 84 degrees. Therefore, our missing angle is 84 degrees. Here, we would add up 98 plus 32 degrees equals 130. 180 minus 130 equals 50. So G equals 50 degrees. Here, it looks like we're missing two angles, but we know that square in the corner is actually 90 degrees. So we add up 90 degrees plus 45, which equals 135. 180 minus 135 equals 45. So our missing angle D is 45 degrees. Now I want you to try to find the missing angles in each triangle. Pause the video now and give it a go. Now take your green pen out and mark your answers. I wrote down each step so you can see if you made a mistake. Now we will look at a special triangle called an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles, of course, have interior angles that still sum to 180 degrees, but they are special because they have two equal-sized angles. We can see here, both 58 degrees, and two equal side lengths. We can see here by those dashes, we know the dashes on a shape mean that the side lengths are equal. The equal side lengths are always opposite of the equal angles. So I go from one equal angle to the other side, one equal angle to the other side. Please pause the video now and write down what is in the red square. So if we're asked to find which two sides are equal on an isosceles triangle, we would look at our interior angles and see which ones are equal. So for our first one, we have 64 degrees and 64 degrees. So I'd go to the opposite side, and put two dashes. For our next triangle, we have 45 degrees that are equal, so opposite of 45. Those are our equal sides. Now what if we were asked to find the missing angle in isosceles triangles? We know that on our first triangle that A and B will be our equal angles because they are on the opposite side of the equal sides. We also know that this square in the corner means that that angle is 90 degrees. So to find our missing angles, we take 180 minus our known angle, which is 90, and we would get 90 degrees. Then we just divide our difference by 2, and we get 45 degrees, so we know that our angles A and angles B are 45 degrees. For our next triangle, we have 100 degrees as our known angle, so we have 180 minus 100 degrees equals 80. We divide 80 by 2 and get 40 degrees, so C and D both equal 40 degrees. This triangle, our known angle, is 40, so 100 degrees minus 40 degrees equals 140. We divide 140 by 2 and get 70, so angles E and angles F are 70 degrees. Now I want you to try to find the missing angles in each triangle. Pause the video now. Okay, grab your green pen and mark your answers. Make sure to correct your answers in green pen if you got them incorrect. Now it's time to do your independent work on Show My Homework. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on there. And don't hesitate to watch the video again and keep trying those questions till you get those right. Okay, have a good day, guys.